for determinant? We know that for determinant of matrix, yes. So we are calculated determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix till now. Yes, how it is denoted by? It may be denoted by DETA, or it may be denoted by two vertical lines in middle. I can write A matrix. So I am having determinant of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix. Till now I am going for. Yes. Now you will going to tell me, whenever I am having A transpose is equal to A for certain square matrix, what I will going to call for that matrix is,
It's an identical
whenever
matrix.
it is
Identity matrix.
okay, identity. Any other options? Transpose of that matrix is that matrix yourself. A transpose is A. Then A is called as
Symmetric matrix.
Identical matrix.
okay. Okay. Any other? Any other options?
Scalar matrix.
I'm not getting. Pardon, please. Pardon. Pardon. Pardon, please. Somebody is talking, but I'm not getting it actually. Okay, I'm just getting a variety of answers, but what I was expected the answer was, for certain matrix, whenever I'm having transpose of that matrix is matrix itself, A transpose is A, then I'm calling that matrix is symmetric matrix. Yes, and whenever I'm having A transpose is minus A, then that matrix will be,
Skew symmetric matrix.
yes, it will be skew symmetric. So A transpose as A is symmetric, A transpose is minus A is skew symmetric. In a similar manner, here I'm having singular and non-singular matrices. A square matrix A is singular whenever I'm having determinant of A is equal to 0. And for non-singular matrix, we are having determinant of A is non-zero. Yes. So I require non-singular matrix for what searching, for what I require matrix to be non-singular. Yes. I want to search something, and for that I require my matrix to be non-singular. For what I want to go for matrix to be non-singular? Yes, students, yes. For searching A inverse, I must have to get my matrix to be non-singular. So, as we are recalling inverse of matrix, by how many ways I can search inverse of a matrix, students? Okay, by two ways. Which are those two ways? And
Row and column transformation.
okay, row and by using row or column transformation. Yes, you are correct. Who are you? Please tell me your name. What is your name?
Prasad.
Only Prasad you are having your name, surname? Prasad Arya. Okay, Arya Prasad, you are just recalling very nicely. So whenever I have to search inverse of a matrix, I am just go for finding inverse of matrix by two ways. It's either by row transformation or column transformation, or I can use adjoint. Is adjoint. So whenever I'm having, see here, I'm having this matrix A and I have to search adjoint of A. So what I'm having formula for adjoint of A? Anybody? What I'm having formula for adjoint of A? Please unmute. Adjoint of matrix is equal to
Adjoint of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A.
Into transpose of A.
transpose, no transpose, no transpose. Yes. Go for that. Go for that. Adjoint of A is equal to, answer is half only. I'm not getting expected answer. Please unmute. Come for the answer.
A inverse into mod.
Into A inverse. No.
Cofactors. We have to find the cofactors.
Yes. Yes. Adjoint of a matrix is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into cofactor matrix of A. Yes. So you are going to find cofactors for each and every element of A, and from that you can have adjoint of a matrix. So adjoint of a matrix is 1 upon determinant of A into cofactor matrix. So till this we are coming. Yes. Right now only I'm just telling you for symmetric matrix, a square matrix A is equal to transpose. Whenever I'm having A is equal to A transpose, I'm calling that matrix a symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, what I require, A transpose is minus A, then I'm having skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Yes. Now I have to go further for this, but I'm not going today. I have to go for one more thing here. So let us go for this PPT. Yes, one thing I have to go for. I am having, this is 3 by 3 matrix. I'm having 2 by 4 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix is a square matrix. Yes. 3 by 3 matrix is square matrix and 2 by 4 is rectangular matrix. Now I want to go for, I want to ask you one of the question. Is may I add both of these matrix A and B? May I go for adding A plus B?
No.
No, I can't add A and B. Why? Why I can't?
Because the number of rows and columns are different.
Yes, for both A and B matrices, I can't add A and B, or I can't go for subtracting A and B. Why it is? Because for addition or subtraction of matrices, what I require their order should be same. Yes, I require their order should be same. Otherwise, I can't go for A plus B or B plus A or A minus B or B minus A. Yes, then my second question is, may I go for A into B? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody is saying
No.
yes.
No, ma'am. No.
No.
Okay, somebody is saying no. So I am having equal responses from you. Some of you are saying yes, some of you are saying no. Yes. So those who are saying no, please unmute and tell me why I can't go for multiplying A into B.
Because the number of columns of the first matrix is not equal to the number of rows of the second one.
Yes, the expected answer I require, it should be like that way only. When I can multiply both A and B, what should I require? Number of, see, I am just considering A as first matrix. I am considering B as second matrix here. So multiplication, for multiplication of A and B, what should I require? Number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. If I'll have that, then only I can go for multiplying both the matrices. I'm not going in detail how to go for multiplication and all these things. This is the scalar multiplication of matrix. So I am having certain scalar K. It is 2 by 2 matrix. When I'm multiplying the scalar inside, I have to multiply the scalar to each and every element. This is just the scalar multiplication. Yes. I'm just going for A and B. See, now I am having this A and B matrix. Yes, this A matrix is having order 2 by 3 and this B matrix is having order 3 by 2. Whether I can multiply now A and B?
Yes.
Yes. What will be the order of AB? What will be the order of A into B matrix? Order of A into B matrix?
2 into 2.
Yes,
2 into 2.
it will be 2 by 2 matrix. Now I am having B is 3 by 2 and I'm having A is 2 by 3. May I go for B into A? B into A?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What will be the order of B
Yes.
into A?
2 by 2. 2 by 2.
B into A?
3 by 3.
Yes, B into A will be 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Yes, people. B into A is of order 3 by 3. So it means that matrix multiplication is not commutative because A into B I am finding 2 by 2, but B into A I am having 3 by 3. So matrix multiplication is not commutative here. Again, you are having lecture at 2 o'clock. So I will going to stop sharing my screen. I have to take your attendance here. Yes, I'm